My name's Chris Eger. I'm the chairman and founder of Rosoro Strategic Metals. We're listed on the TSX-V under the ticker code RSM and the ASX under the ticker code of RAU. We have a massive titanium and rare earths project located in Minas Gerais, the best mining state in Brazil. The TIROS Titanium and Rare Earths Project is a massive project located well in Minas Gerais, just north of Belo Horizonte, the capital city. 2 weeks ago, we reported a new 43101 resource of 1.9 billion tonnes at 12% titanium dioxide and 4,050 ppm total rare earth oxides. So this is one of the largest, if not the largest, titanium and rare earths project in the world. We started off early before we started drilling, and we employed a psychologist as our community relations officer, and she has the job of spending all her days talking to farmers. Our area is in a low populated area in flat cattle grazing land, high unemployment in the area, 3 townships in the area where the location is great in terms of infrastructure. We've got great roads, we've got hydroelectric power, we've got a railway line which goes to the Atlantic Ocean ports, and the communities are very positive towards development because their big problem is they're exporting their young people to the United States to work. And also we're very close to the Araxá niobium mine, which produces about 90% of the world's niobium, and that town has really prospered because of the mining activity. So the local communities are looking at what's happened in Araxá and they really want a part of it. So very pro-development area. Well, at the moment, our resource is a very large, very high grade. If you compare a typical beach sands deposit for titanium dioxide, it's about 1%. Our global grade is 12%. Our high grade zone, 130 million tonnes, is at 24%. It's a flat horizontal layer which extends for 71 kilometres of free digging, friable clay material. So from a technical point of view, from mining, no drilling, no blasting, no pre-production capex for mining, no crushing, no grinding, and then we come to processing the ore, and it's a bit unique because we've got very high grade titanium dioxide, very high grade total rare earth oxides. So we have to produce a flow sheet that produces products both in titanium dioxide and rare earths. And we're going through that process at the moment. We've gone through multiple metallurgical test work, and we're on the cusp of providing a flow sheet. And then we're going to build a demonstration treatment plant. Well, the demonstration treatment plant will be at about 500,000 tonnes per annum. The total capital cost will be around $50 to $60 million for that plant. We're in the process of applying for development bank financing in Brazil. We've spoken to the US government and the European Union about development bank financing. We're looking at selling a royalty because this project has no royalties. That makes it unique. And we're looking at offtake finance. So we're speaking to various offtakers for both titanium dioxide and mixed rare earth carbonates. So in terms of the capex, relatively small for a large scale rare earths project. But if we treat 500,000 tonnes per annum, we produce a lot of material very profitably, and our business model is to produce titanium dioxide concentrate, which covers all our costs and makes a profit, and the rare earths come as a credit. So we're expecting the financials and the economics of the project to be very robust at demonstration scale. Well, we'd like to get the message out to shareholders because we have very strong institutional shareholders, and about 70% of our stock is held by institutions and myself. So what we'd like to do is get retail investors understanding that this project, the company has a $20 million market cap, that the actual in situ and intrinsic value is massive. We've got 1.9 billion tonnes in resource. So there's a big gap, and I appeal to retail investors to go and buy some shares, because this is a big market alpha investment opportunity for retail investors.